In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from a Trello board. Whether you're organizing work projects or personal tasks, Trello is an indispensable tool for many of us. Sometimes though, you need to take your workflow offline or into different software. Exporting your data into a CSV file is a perfect solution for this scenario. Today we're going to cover this process end to end, and by the end of these 5 minutes you should be quite comfortable with exporting your Trello board data. First, head over to the Trello website where you will begin by clicking on the Login button. If you're like many users who prefer streamlined access, you can conveniently log in using your Google account. Just select Google and pick your account from the options that appear. This single sign-on method not only saves time but also secures your login through Google's authentication. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the board from which you want to export data. If you're not automatically directed to your boards, you can use the nav bar to locate them. Once you see your list of boards, click on the specific one you need to work with today. This will open up your Trello board, displaying all your cards and lists as you've arranged them. Now direct your focus to the top right corner of your Trello board. There you'll find 3 small dots. This icon often represents additional options in many applications, including Trello. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu which gives you broader control over the board's settings and functions. In this list you will see the print, export and share option. Selecting this option is your gateway to exporting your board data. After clicking print, export and share, you will be presented with several options. For exporting the data, choose export as CSV. CSV files are incredibly versatile. They're perfect for transferring data to spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets, making them ideal for analysis, backups, or creating reports. With a simple click on Export as CSV, a prompt will appear to save the file. Make sure you choose a memorable location on your computer so you can easily retrieve it later. Think of this as organizing your files for quick access whenever you need them. That completes the process of exporting your Trello data into a CSV format. It's a straightforward method that empowers you to back up your data or share it with team members who might prefer viewing details in spreadsheet form. Exporting ensures that your work remains flexible and accessible across different platforms. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find exporting from Trello a breeze from now on.